So you're making a shooter game and you just want to add some random spread to your line traces. Not a problem. So we all know what the traditional line trace setup looks like. You start with your main position, in my case it's the origin of this arrow looking thing. Then you get the world location and the forward vector and you multiply it however long you want the bullet to go, add it together like this and drag this into the start and this into the end. Set the draw time to something like 0.05 so we can see it. Alright, so that's the traditional trace. Now, if you want to randomize the angles a bit, create a new variable and we'll call this bullet spread and we'll set it to something like 300. And drag out a multiply, set it to -1, and get 3 random floating ranges. Drag out a plus from the old plus and split the structs. And now we plug in the X, Y, and Z, and drag the bullet spread directly into all the maxes, and from the negative into all the minimums. You're done. From now on, the bigger this value, the more random the spread of the line trace will be. Hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.